Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the time to take action on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In here, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on advanced settings. Now select time to take action. In here you could choose default, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or the maximum is 2 minutes. Now I say choose how long to show messages that ask you to take action, but are visible only temporarily, such as temporary on-screen notifications or the volume controller. And that's it. So select a time, then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.